Hello friends, so in this video we are going to take a look at how to install Frida server on Android. To install Frida server on Android, a few things. The system, the Android system device that you are trying to install Frida must be rooted, or you can install it on non-rooted devices, but it is not that efficient to install Frida on non-rooted devices. So let's get started with how you can install frida server on your device and start Android app Pentesting. So I am running Android 7 on my Genymotion emulator. So I would recommend, if you have a physical device, that is a really good idea to start with. But if you don't have a physical device running Android, so you can just simply download Genymotion and set up an emulator for yourself for pen testing. As you can see over here, I am running Android 7.1. And the first thing that you need to know is what architecture is the Android device running. Is it ARM or x86 architecture or ARM 64? So to identify that, what you need to do is open up your terminal. First, you need to have ADB installed on your system. So after that, just type ADB devices, list out all the devices that are present uh, on your network and are accessible over ADB. And then what you need to do is ADB shell, and then type this command getprop space and ro.product.cpu.abi list. What it is going to do is it is going to print out the architecture of the CPU or the device, Android device. You just hit it here and you can see that it printed out x86 over here. So we know that we need to download the frida server for x86 for Android. Just go ahead on on this GitHub repository, github.com/frida and /frida/releases. And over here you will find a lot of different releases for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. So we are going to download the release for Android. So over here you can see that just search for frida-server, and over here you will see different releases for different operating system related to Frida. So we are going to download this file, that is frida server 12.9.6 for Android x86. So just click on that and it is going to download the package on your system. Once that file is downloaded, we are going to transfer frida server executable file from this archive to our device and then make it executable so that we can run the server on our Android device. So let's wait for the download to finish. So the download has finished now, and what we are going to do is just drag the frida server over here, and it is going to extract the frida executable file. So what you need to do now is just if you want to just rename the file, I am going to frida server, and now I'm going to change the directory to desktop. So we have access to that file directly. So now what you need to do is just type adb push and the frida server to the recommended directory is to store the executable in a temp file. temp directory, so it does not interfere with other system files. Just go to getprop, go through and temp, and now it is going to push that executable file in the temp folder. After that, just go ahead and type adb shell, and now you will be in the terminal of your Android device. So just type who am I to verify that you are running as root. After that, what you need to do is go to the directory where we stored the frida server. You can see over here that there is the frida server file. So what you need to do is type chmod. So we need to change the permission for that file. Frida-server, and just run this, and after that what you need to type execute the frida server, and you can, and it is saying the frida server is already running. So I had previously installed frida server. So what I am going to do is just reboot my device, and I will be back once the device is booted up. Now we are back. So the device has booted up, and now what we need to do is just run the frida server. So just again type adb shell and go to your device and change the directory where you stored the frida server file, and just type frida server, and it will run the server in the background. And now go ahead and open a new tab in your terminal on your system, on host system. So what you need to do is you need to first have frida installed on your system that you are going to using for Pentesting. So I have already installed it on my system. If you haven't watched the previous video, you can go ahead and watch that. I have covered how to install Frida on your device. So just type frida-ps capital U, and what is it is going to do is it is going to list out all the running processes on your Android device. So you can see over here that we are running super user. There are different logcat processes running in the background, and then there is a frida server process running, and other different processes related to Android. So this is how you can install frida server on your Android device and prepare your device for pen testing. We will be covering some uh, different scripts that are written frida for doing some protections on Android in the process of doing pen test on Android app. So stay tuned for that, and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, do comment down below. If you like the video, thanks for watching.